If you are looking for an AI video generator, you have probably come across Invideo, Vheer, and Pictory, but which one is actually worth your time? In this video, I'll compare all three based on features, ease of use, pricing, and who each tool is best for, so you can pick the right one quickly. Overview of each tool. Invideo is a popular AI video creation platform with templates, text to video, and advanced editing tools. It is designed for both the beginners and semi-professionals. Vheer is a newer AI tool focused on fast content generation, especially for short-form videos. It's simple and more automation-focused. Pictory is known for turning scripts or articles into videos automatically, making it great for YouTube automation and faceless content. Ease of use. Vheer is the easiest, minimal setup, very beginner friendly. Pictory is also simple, especially for script-based videos. Invideo has more features, but that makes it slightly more complex. If you want quick and easy, go with Vheer. If you want more control, Invideo is better. Features comparison. Invideo, huge template library, text to video plus manual editing, voiceovers, stock footage, transitions, more customization options. Vheer, AI generated short videos, fast workflow, limited editing features, focus on automation. Pictory, script to video automation, audio captions and summarization, blog article to video, decent stock media library. Invideo equal most powerful, Pictory equal best for automation, Vheer equal fastest but limited. Video quality and output. Invideo gives the most professional looking results. Pictory is good for informational or faceless videos. Vheer is decent, but not as polished. For high quality YouTube content, Invideo wins. Pricing. Invideo free plan available. Paid plans unlock premium features and remove watermark. Pictory paid focused, limited free trial. Vheer usually affordable or freemium depending on version. Best value Invideo. Budget option Vheer. Pros and cons. Invideo pros. Powerful editing tools, tons of templates, high quality output. Invideo cons. Slight loading curve. Vheer pros. Very easy to use. Fast video creation. Vheer cons. Limited features, lower customization. Pictory pros. Great for script-based videos. Automation saves time. Pictory cons. Less control over editing. Can feel repetitive. Final verdict. So which one is best? Choose Invideo if you want full control and professional videos. Choose Pictory if you want automated faceless content. Choose Vheer if you want quick and simple videos with minimal effort. Overall winner, Invideo, because it balances power, quality, and flexibility. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this. Share this video to your friend and leave us a comment down below telling us which option or which software did you use before and how was your experience. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.